Hey guys, it's Cruz Mom, and today we are going to be talking about winged eyeliner and how to do it without really dragging and pulling on your eyes. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about winged eyeliner and how to do it and kind of do it without really pulling on your eyes a lot. I am not a big advocate of being rough on the face unless you're exfoliating. I think that you should start at a very young age really trying to remember to always go up and being very gentle around the eyes and the neck and things. So with that being said, I'm going to kind of show you on one eye how to do it with a kohl pencil, and then on another eye a trick that you can use a kohl pencil and then go back with your liquid eyeliner. I am a big fan of liquid eyeliner. Especially this one, the Soap & Glory Super Cat. It's not expensive. It's $13.99, I think. And I find that with some of the challenges that I face with the hooded eyes, this stays very crisp. It is a beautiful black and it dries very quickly. So throughout the day, I don't have the raccoon eye up here after I've blink or if I get hot and sweaty. So I think they sell it at Ulta. I'm pretty sure that they sell it at Target as well. So I bought this one actually at Ulta, and I've had it for about 6 months now, and it seems to be the one that I keep grabbing. So, and my other one that I really like is, of course, you know guys, I'm a big Merle Norman fan. So the other one I like from Merle Norman is their Pro Pen Black in Sharp Black. But I find myself kind of keep going back to this one. So, all right. So one of the things that you can do with a black pencil, I prefer black, but you can use any color. Another color that's really good is copper or plum tones. Those are really good on aging eyes. I would stay away, me personally, I would stay away from blues and greens. You could do black, you could do coppers, purples, charcoal, brown. I would probably stay in somewhat, medium tones and not go kind of the bolder tones. All right, so I see a lot of people doing this. As we get older, of course, you're gonna get crow's feet and things. I have taught myself how to do it, just keeping my eye closed, but just lift your eyebrow. Learn to lift your eyebrow, and that will pull all that excess skin up. And because if you pull this way, as you can see, you're kind of pulling the skin and you're trying, so it gets that skippy motion. All right, so lift it up and close, and you want to go straight out. You don't want to go down, and kind of make like a dot or a dash and get as close to the lash line as you possibly can. And so again, and then we want to go up a little bit. So just start out small. Very Audrey Hepburn. And so that's just that. And probably with the pencil, honestly, I would probably stop right at my pupil. And I do try to do that with my liquid eyeliner as well, but sometimes that doesn't always work. And same thing with the liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna put this one on a little bit heavier, and I would start don't you love it when it does that? And really, it is that simple to do a winged. And you can come back, now that you have this on, if you have your guide, you can actually come back, and there you go. So just learning to go up and you can use, like I said, use your pencil as your guide, kind of get that first line in there. That's a little heavier than I would probably normally do it. but it could work. So thin, thick, it's just a matter of how you tilt your pen. And that honestly is the easiest way to do a cat eye. Again, try not to pull out, let me kind of show you if you pull out the difference. I'm trying to use these makeup wipes up that I got, the Neutrogena Deep Cleanse. And I think I told you guys the other day that I had been using them. I wasn't using my normal cleansing wipes, and they really, as you can see, I had like little whiteheads all over my face from them, and my skin does not like it. Okay, so let that dry a little bit. And so when you pull out, because this is what I see people do, you do get like a clean line, but if you had a lot of wrinkles on your eyes, it just wouldn't look as nice. And it kind of turns down. So as you can see, minus the under eye, it's just not as pretty. This obviously is higher, it looks nicer, it looks more professional than that. So again, it's just a matter of learning to lift the eye up and kind of just looking at the eyebrow and kind of making an imaginary line. That's a little high, but you get the idea. And just play with it. You know, go in your mirror and play. And find which way that you like it to go. Just to always try to remember to go up and not down, not to follow your eye down. Because again, that's gonna, you know, give that illusion of a downward turning face, and we're always wanting to try to giving that lift to the face. So that's it, liquid eyeliner, kohl pencil. Wet n Wild has a really nice kohl pencil that's really creamy. This one is good, but it does kind of pull on the skin a little bit. The Marc Jacobs that I have, hands down so far, is the best pencil that I have used. And again, I'm not being sponsored by anybody to say this. This is just my personal opinion. The Marc Jacobs is very creamy. It stays put. I don't get the upper lid color from, you know, blinking and getting hot. And it doesn't pull when you put it on. Now, it doesn't have a nice point on it. You can't get a nice point on it, but it does do really well, especially if you're going to do the upper waterline to kind of blacken that. It's really nice and black, and it really gives a lot of good definition. All right, so 2 tips, just 2 pencils, not very expensive. Go out, give it a try. In my next video, I'm going to show you some other tips for hooded eye and how to kind of make your eyes look a little bit bigger. All right, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and God bless.